Welcome back, guys, to another video. So today I'm gonna be replacing this back bumper on my truck. As y'all can see, y'all probably seen it in other videos, but I do got a dent right there, and right there on that tailgate, right about there. So I ended up going the other day to a town about 40 minutes away, and I got another bumper. They're right here. He actually happened to have the same color as my truck. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these and I'm put them in that one. But I don't have the cutouts for the flush mount, which I'm not gonna do. I think I'm just gonna leave it without it for now. But I'm gonna I got some other pods I got sitting over there in the garage. So what I might do is actually take these pods out and then get the other ones and mount them probably like up under right here where the tow receivers at, and go from there. But let me go ahead and get started on this. First things first, I'm gonna take this hitch off, and then I'm gonna start taking all these plastics off, and hopefully we can get it loose and go. Alright, so there's a couple bolts you gotta remove on this. So this is me looking at it. So there's a bolt right here, another one right there, and if you come in here on the inside, there's another bolt right there. It's kind of hard to see. And then another bolt right there. And that's that. And then we have to just take off the sensors. But you got to do the same thing on both sides. Take off those bolts. And then go from there. So yeah. So first things first, what I'm going to do is probably just assemble that bumper just like the other one. That way it's ready to go, and then go from there. Alright guys, so we're done with that back bumper. As you can see, it looks pretty good. No more dents. The only thing I gotta do is now just fix that little piece, and that's it. But the plan is to repaint the whole truck eventually. So for right now, you know, it looks better, looks cleaner. So there it is. And I also installed those pods. These I had extra. I just mounted them for now. You know, I might keep them, I might not, but we'll see. Let me just see how they look. How bright they are whenever I back up. So turn them on. bright, so everything's working good, but we'll see. But yeah, quick video, just replacing that dented bumper. I got it sitting over there now, but this plastic piece is no good either way, because you know that plastic piece is dented. But there you have it. More updates on the truck later on, but you know, like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace. All right, guys, so today I'm also gonna be working on my mom's truck. The other day I put some tires on it, and today I'm gonna change the lights because they were really yellow, and I mean they're just old. It's a 92 Ford F150. My dad should be bringing it any minute now. He's gonna do something up under it. He's gonna work on that, and then I'm gonna work on putting these headlights in, and then also help him out whenever I get done. So I'm gonna go ahead and put all the bulbs in here and go from there. But it's all these 4 pieces for this 92. Here are the parking lights. I got the turn signals right here, and I think these are the, oh yeah, these are license plate lights also, because they're out, they're broken. So I got those, and the kit actually came with new headlight bulbs, so that's pretty cool. So I'm gonna go switch all these out right now, and then get them ready so we can just do a quick install and go from. Also, if y'all didn't know, all these parts right here are ceramic coated. I ceramic coated them. That way they can have a longer lasting life, and also for better clarity and visibility later on. But yes, all these parts are ceramic coated. Obviously now I gotta wait because I don't have the sockets. I think the only thing I could probably change is this, because this one, the socket's built into it or something. That way I know how it comes out. Still these Platinum Series bowls. These are supposed to be 6K, so we'll see. Also, you don't want to touch these bulbs either because of the grease on your fingers. So I'm going to remove it. And install like that. Put the lock on there and put these back in here. Just let my dad hang on to these in case these ever go out. Again, I don't know if it caught all that on camera, but what I'm doing right here is just installing these bulbs. I'm putting these in there so my dad can have these just as spares now, and I'm just replacing them with these. I don't know if y'all did catch it in the other video, but I did ceramic coated all the headlights, so all these are ceramic coated. And my dad just pulled in, so about to get this started and go from there. Alright guys, so I went ahead and take this grill off, these lights. So let me show y'all what I'm talking about. So there's 4 nuts on top of this, and that's how you take the grill off. And then here, it's just got 2 screws, you take that off. And on the inside, it's hard to see, but there's 2 bolts, one on each side. I'll kind of show you on this one, give you a better reference. So there's one of the nuts right here, and the other ones are right here. So you take those 2 off, and that'll take the whole housing off. And after that, you know, it's easier, just take that clip off. But that's it. I'm just gonna switch out these lenses with the new lenses over there, and we'll go from there. So let's do that. is there. Just gonna compare. Quick little tone. Alright. So this one is the 6 left. Here's what. Alright guys, so there you have it. We just got done with the F-150. The headlights are in. All brand new turn signals. Low lights, high lights. Everything's LED. I can go ahead and switch those on real quick. Y'all can see it's nice and bright. Everything works as it should. Looks fine. And I'll show you how nice that LED sequential light hits. Got the key right here. You want to do the hazards. Well, the hazards, you're blinking fast. But then turn signals. Y'all excuse the rain, it's raining right here. There we go. Nice and crisp. So yeah, that's the wrap up on the headlights on this 92. And we'll see you on the next one.